The secret to this recipe is going to be this ricer. You can buy one of these online for like 15 bucks, not too pricey. When you press the potatoes through this, you want to put it through the smallest setting, and it's going to give you some velvety, smooth papas. So let's get it. We're going to use Yukon Gold potatoes for this recipe. I'm using these, but feel free to use any starchy potato. So, dice them into half-inch pieces and just try to keep them all roughly the same size. Don't be anal. Add them to a pot with cold water so it cooks evenly as the temperature of the water rises. I always like to season every layer of the process. Mix around to incorporate the salt, put a lid on it, and cook on the side. In a small saucepan on medium heat, melt a stick of unsalted butter. Melt it all the way down and make sure you don't burn it. It can happen easily. Add a tablespoon of garlic paste and a couple of pinches of salt because you gots to season your shit. Mix it together and set aside. Check the potatoes and they should be done when they are fork tender. Make sure they dry for only 4 minutes so they remain hot so they can be pressed easily. Now we're going to press these potatoes through the smallest setting on our ricer. This will make these potatoes silky smooth. Just look at the beauty. Once we've pressed all the potatoes, it's time to add the butter-garlic mixture. Add the evaporated milk in slowly and fold until we get the consistency we want. And that is it. Garlic mashed potatoes.